Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. So today's video is going to be my unboxing of this. What's in here, you say? No, it's not a So Hayley Jane box. This is actually the Valentines box from First for Fabrics. So if you don't know, First for Fabrics are a fabric business based in the northeast of England, and it's actually where Tamlin from Sewn on the Tyne works. And I think it was about a few weeks ago, 3 or 4 weeks ago, they put out an Instagram post saying that they were going to be putting together some Valentine's mystery boxes. And I thought, you know what, that's a fabulous idea. So it came a couple of days ago, which is really exciting. And I thought I would open it with you on screen so we could see what's inside. This is my little gift to me. Not that I need any excuse to buy myself, you know, fabric. I don't know what's in here. Tamlin hasn't told me, but I'm really excited to find out. So let's open, shall we? Right, so we've got the box here. Okay, oh wow, let's have a look. So it says, Rachel, roses are red, violets are blue. Here's a discount code especially for you. I'm not going to read the discount code out, obviously, because it's just for me. Which is a discount off my next order until the end of March. That's fantastic. Thank you so much. And then inside we've got, oops, sweeties. We have some gorgeous little love hearts, which are very Valentine's orientated. Oh, 2 lots of love hearts, which I will save those for later. And then a lovely package that is wrapped up in pattern tissue paper with a gorgeous, gorgeous Valentine's ribbon. Ah! Oh wow, this is beautiful. So I will show you what we've got. We've got a lovely Prim stitch ripper, which is always, always handy. I love that, thank you. So next we have a pack of jersey needles, which is great because I don't really have many left. And we have a Hello Gorgeous label thread, which is hopefully focusing so that you can see that. Gorgeous Gutterman thread, and then the fabric. Oh, this is beautiful. Now, I've been eyeing up this fabric for a while actually, and I think they had this in B&M yesterday, and I was very tempted, but I didn't buy it, and I'm so glad I didn't now. Look at that. So it is this gorgeous lips, glitter lips jersey, and how stunning is that? Ruan, if you're watching, you're going to be so jealous that you didn't get one of these boxes. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's 2 meters of this gorgeous jersey. So I don't know what I'm going to make with this yet, because it's just beautiful. It's beautiful, and beautiful colours. Thank you so much, guys, at First for Fabrics. I'm so pleased that I got this. So yeah, that's a lovely, lovely gift box. And this, I don't know if you can see that very well. Hopefully you can see this love heart ribbon is beautiful as well. I'm going to keep that. I can use that on something again. It's absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much for that. And that little discount code is going to be, it's got to be put to use, hasn't it? Right, quick video then from me, but I hope you enjoyed having a little look at that unboxing of my First for Fabrics Valentine's gift box. And I'd really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. The little button will just be there down below somewhere, and please like this video as well if you've enjoyed having a little look, and hopefully I will be back with you really soon. Take care, bye. So today's video is going to be me complaining about the sun shining. I mean, come on. And I don't know how well this is going to go because it's really windy, and every time there's a noise outside, Piper is barking. So I'm going to try and cut that out.